I am now king of the monsters. Dun, dun, dun. Bring it on, Godzilla. I want to be the king. Okay. Ouch, my scar, it hurts. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, phew, I didn't fall all the way to the bottom. I'm still okay. Time to eat some of his skin for lunch. Dun. Oh, so good. Maybe the whole King Kong will taste good. That's an idea. Maybe I should eat him. Not so fast, Godzilla. What brings you here? This will be an easy one. That Kong down there is my brother. Well, your brother seems to taste pretty good. You ate some of his skin? You must taste good as well. Nah, you won't want to eat me. Dun, 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 dun. Stab. Ow! There's a big hole inside my skin. Ooh. We're a deck lower, and I'm with this stupid Kong again. I'm listening. Right on the sore spot. Psst. Ah, but it's really sore. What do you think you're doing? Ha ha ha, this is the end of you, King Kong. You still got me to kill, you know. Shut up, whoever's up there. In case the Kong with Battle Axe comes down, I have my spikes, so he will land on them. How dare you eat my brother's skin? Oh! Oh! Spiky! Dun. Now I'm starting to get a little injured. I'm going to throw an atomic breath at your face now. No! Fist punch. Whoa! I went down one deck lower than the Battle Axe Kong. Ah, I'm alive. I'm alive. Okay, time to stop Godzilla and save the world. Dun. 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 Oh, I wish I could help you, brother. It's okay, older brother. Thank you, younger brother. Oh, I think a bigger me will be the older King Kong. Now, I need to try and attack the Battle Axe. Or maybe I could attack both of you. I have to stay sitting here. I'm too injured. This is the last fight to Jet Kong. No, please. Don't swish me off the edge. Whoa. Haha. My arm is bleeding. And now I'm off the deck. I've caused a leak under this deck, which means I can get up to the Battle Axe Kong's deck. Zoop. Hello, little pal. No, but I can't move. I'm too injured. Well, tough. Don't come any closer. Look out! Look out, younger brother! Oh, now we're both down here. My scout fell off as well. Oh no, that means we're both very injured. No one can stand Godzilla. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, I'm swimming down to you. This is the last Battle Axe Kong. No, that's my brother. Did the younger brother just throw me back onto the deck? Dun, dun. You couldn't get us. The best brothers in the world. Oh, yes, I can. Yet again, I shall swim down to you. I've got his tail. Punch his head. Okay, I'm gonna throw him now. 3, 2, 1. No! It's a shame we lost our scars, but we are still the best brothers in the world. We managed to defeat the king of the monsters. To be continued. Godzilla vs. Kong Brothers Part 2.